Hi there, and welcome back to the 5 books. Do you want to start watercolor painting, and learn the best advice to quickly improve your skills? Then, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books on watercolor painting. Let's dive in. Book number 1. 15-Minute Watercolor Masterpieces, by Koliadych. This book gives you easy, step-by-step instructions, helping you unlock your creativity with watercolor. It guides you through painting your own watercolor masterpieces in just 15 minutes. Tips. Invest in the essential supplies, set up your workspace and start painting. Book number 2. Everyday Watercolor, by Jenna, Rainey. This beautifully illustrated and inspiring guided book is perfect for beginning watercolor artists who want to improve their watercolor skills, and visual creatives. This book covers the basics and helps painters gain confidence. Tips. Make sure your watercolor paper won't buckle. Book number 3. The Joy of Watercolor, by Emma Block. This book helps painters discover their artistic side and achieve moments of peace and tranquility. 40 straightforward lessons promise fun and colorful results, no pressure and no skill required. This helps you produce colorful and modern paintings. Tips. Paint with the side of your brush. Book number 4. The Complete Watercolorist's Essential Notebook, by MacKenzie. This book shares a collection of principles, concepts, and general information designed to expand your creative process. It gives you tips, techniques, ideas, and lessons for a sure path to creative fulfillment and better watercolor paintings. Tips. Don't add too much water. Book number 5. Watercolor for the Absolute Beginner, by Matthew Palmer. This last book is a comprehensive course in watercolor landscape painting. It begins with excellent advice for the beginner, including easy drawing for painting, light and shade, color, and how to paint skies, trees, water, and figures in watercolor. This book helps you quickly build your skills. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books about watercolor painting? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. See you.